Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the duty-free shop on the Ethiopian Airline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Sheba Duty Free, and then you will be directed to a page where you need to tap on the Shop Now button, accept the cookies down below, and in a few seconds you will be able to browse among the categories, as you can see it in the left side corner. So here you can find the items. If you are interested in any of these, just tap on the relevant one. You can read the description, the price. You can add it to your cart by tapping on the add to cart button. If you are done with the shopping, tap on the shopping cart button down below in the right side corner, and you will be able to add your details, select the payment method and the delivery method, and you can finalize the shopping process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.